guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. I get asked all the time about small space organizing ideas. So today we are building a floating shelf in about 15 minutes using one of my favorite Dollar Tree products and a bunch of organizing ideas that don't use plastic. I can't wait for this video. It's sponsored by Skillshare, so let's jump into it. So I was in the Dollar Tree this week, doing my Kathryn thing, and in the garden section, I found these wall hooks. Most stores have these out right now, and then I thought about Carson's room. We've got a spot where we hang all of his artwork, but I wanted to create a custom shelf. And I was walking through the store and thinking to myself, there are so many name brand and high-end products that we could use to design 4 different spaces with this shelf, with a $20 budget, all from Dollar Tree. You guys know I love a good challenge, so first I want to share how to make this shelf. It really is that easy. This board is 4 feet by 6 inches by a ½ inch. It's scrap wood, but that's the exact size you want if you use these shelf brackets. They retail for up to $10 at the hardware store. I sanded this down using Dollar Tree sandpaper and gave it a quick coat of stain. Then I took a dowel rod that I got from Walmart for just $1. It's a 3/4 inch, sanded it and gave it a stain. Once that dries, you can slip these brackets right on the edges. You could make a shorter shelf if you wanted to. Install the bottom screw only on your center bracket and then stick your board through to the middle point and install the second screw. It's going to help hold up your board. No additional hardware needed. Then add your edges. Here I'm using drywall anchors and a bit of painter's tape to help with the dust. And then install your remaining screws. You could do this by hand, or you could also use a drill if you wanted to. Add that dowel rod right into the edge to double your storage, and I just took some Dollar Tree craft paint to cover up the screws to help them blend in. And of course I had to give my walls a deep cleaning. Did you notice in that footage how dirty they were? It's crazy how fast that happens. These shelves are so versatile in any space, especially small ones. And first I want to show you kitchen organization ideas from Dollar Tree. These jars are a favorite of mine because they perfectly fit a bag of rice or quinoa, and I also love looking at high-end inspiration. Pottery Barn has this gorgeous stoneware dinner set, and Dollar Tree has a very similar matte version. And their glassware this year has really stepped up their game. I love this puckered glass look. And of course, I had to try the Pinterest trick of using a bit of baking powder and mixing it up with your paint. And you can paint Dollar Tree glasses. It gives it a terracotta or a textured look. Super high-end on a budget. Forget the mason jar mugs. They're great for cold coffee and beverages. One of my favorite Dollar Tree glasses pairs awesome with S-hooks. Are you guys having fun yet? This shelf would be amazing in a laundry room. Get rid of those wire shelves. Okay, so I love these candle holders. I got these from the Mother's Day section. They're extremely heavy. You guys will have to check them out in store and let me know. And the foliage this year, the greenery, they added ferns and realistic looking options they didn't used to have. So when you're in store, keep your eyes peeled. They look really great in those painted vases for a high-end look on a dime. And the dowel rod that we added is perfect for your hangers and drying clothes. Get rid of those wire shelves in your laundry room. Now on to the bathroom. You can style your bathroom with a high-end look. These pillar vases are perfect for any type of organization. You could also get these from the thrift store, and every product I'm putting inside all came from the Dollar Tree. They're all name brand, from bath bombs to lotions. For some reason this spring, the Dollar Tree added a ton of new frames. This house frame is made of wood and looks so beautiful on this shelf. Every item is from the Dollar Tree, and lots of them look like they came from one of the high-end lines from Target. So this This next DIY was a last minute decision, and I didn't know if I wanted to put it in this video, but I decided to because I wanted to show you guys everything. I found these LED hanging lamps, and I had this old basket, and I thought to myself, this would make a really cool rustic light fixture. It was actually really easy to take pliers and open up the center, and then I just gave a quick coat of spray paint to this little lamp. I've seen these by the Mother's Day section and at the front of the store. Then I flipped the basket over and added a bit of hot glue, enough so it would stay secure. And then I took some Dollar Tree jute. This is the wire jute, but you could also use chain link here, and made the top of the light fixture. I think this looks really cool and rustic. For just $2, could be fun in lots of different spaces. This entire shelf could be organized for literally just a couple of dollars. Everything you see here is from the Dollar Tree, even the towels. If you enjoyed this video, would you leave it a big thumbs up? That lets me know you want more content just like this. I love working with dollar store and free items, which is why I am so grateful for today's sponsor, Skillshare, online community with thousands of classes taught by experts for people without a lot of money or a lot of time. And what's even better, the first 1,000 people get to try Skillshare Premium absolutely free if you click the link in my description box below. Skillshare has classes taught by experts on Photoshop, building your Etsy presence, watercoloring, and even mindfulness and meditation. They're super easy to follow, and I love that the lessons keep me on track and I can work at my own pace. It's the perfect thing to listen to while you're crafting or doing DIYs. A recent class I did was with Nia Modi, and she has a class on addressing your inner critic, a journey towards self-compassion. I really enjoyed it. I love learning from people with new perspectives. And the yearly membership is less than $10 a month, so it's super affordable. Be sure to check it out. I'll have it linked down below. Man, am I so glad you are here today. If nobody has told you, you are enough. Be sure to subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next video. I'll see you there. Bye. You wave hi? You better get your trophies out, put them up there.